Hey, what's up guys? How you guys doing? Right now, today's the day where I'm going to install my exhaust for the Prelude, the YONAKA exhaust. It's right here. So I'm going to do everything. I'm going to get it up on 4 jack stands, 2 right here, 2 on the other, and I'm going to do oil change as well too. So bye stock muffler. Bye stock muffler. Maybe I should do like a before and after video of the sound, huh? Alright guys, update. So I just went on in the car and here's the axle back, right? That goes to the back of the muffler. 2 bolts. Here's the S pipe. Now here's the trippy part that I'm mad about, that I just found out. All the way, hopefully the video is not gonna be too shaky. All the way up here to the resonator, right? Here we go. It's been welded all the way to the cap. Welded. I am so pissed right now. I am stuck. Either I can just put on the axle back only and leave it the way it is, or take it to the muffler shop. I don't know. I am so mad right now. I was so ready to install the exhaust, and oh my god. Welded. The previous owner, I don't know, because I'm the 3rd owner of this Prelude, and I am so mad. Look all the way to the cap. Welded. Oh my god. This is stupid. Look at that. Oh, Jesus. I don't know, guys. Should I just go ahead and install just the axle back only and just live on with life? Or should I just take it to the muffler shop and see if they can put all 3 pieces together? Oh, that thing is really rusty. Holy crap, I'm gonna spray some WD-40 on that. I'll see what happens. I'll see you guys later. Just took off the back muffler and just gonna turn it on just for the hell of it. It's like, screw the exhaust, just leave that thing open, huh? Oh man. That's just stupid loud, dude. Step back for a bit. Decided to install the axle back instead. So, let's see how she sounds. pipe. That's, you know, what it's called for the whole exhaust header downpipe and everything upgrade.